Right now we are going to replace the motor mounts in this outboard. Why you need preheated?
We're heating the bolts. Two of the bolts you could see had corrosion but came out.
Oh yeah, fault is corrosion. That's the enemy, no?
Yeah, the enemy. So right now we're heating it. You heat the back of the bolt as much as you can because oil or lubricant gets attracted to heat. So you actually heat the back of the bolt as much as possible, so when you spray lubricant on the front, it absorbs into the nut.
Robert, is necessary some precautions when you apply the heat, because you can damage the lower unit, no?
Not here. There's nothing here. Everything is metal. So
okay.
we're good.
You don't have gasket. You don't have nothing over there.
Here we're good, and what we're changing, this is actually a solid piece.
Yeah.
But from the corrosion, it's opened a hole in it
correct.
and expanded. Normally you can't fit your finger in here, so when the motor mounts go bad, they affect the shift rods that pulls it out, and you might not be able to get forward or reverse.
Yeah, correct. It's common that during that procedure, preheating those bolts, the bolts are broken.
Oh, that's why you need patience. Heat and just oil and heat, and with the impact lightly, and see if it loosens up.
Okay.
If the bolts break, then we have to drill it out, tap it.
Oh yeah, it's a big job. Okay. It's not a problem if you concentrate the heat in that area? No.
No, that's where the threads are.
Okay, all right.
Let me have the buster for that. See it bubbling already.
Yeah.
Hopefully from the heat back there, it'll absorb it and go into there.
Okay, all right.
That's why sometimes just to change a bolt might take you an hour, and I have to do all four of them, and they all look bad.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, in this particular case, the problem starts here, no?
Well, he was saying on the starboard motor that it would overheat at high speed, and to check it, but he originally came in for this. The motor mounts, because one engine won't catch a gear because of the motor mount space.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember, the gear only catches
a little.
this much.
It's nothing.
If anything is off, because when the motor mount goes back, it actually changes the shift height.
Correct.
So then now you don't have a gear maybe.
Yeah.
So we started off with that problem, which was caused by this, and then we found that problem.
Oh, the problem. Yeah.
Always something else.
Yeah.
But that's good. At least it's something that we found. But that's obvious.
Yeah, because at the end will be a great job. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Look at this.
So what happens here is there's aluminum block that's molded into the rubber, and what happens, corrosion gets in there and it starts pulling the metal out of the rubber, causing a binding against the shift shaft. You're not allowing it to go in and out of gear.
Okay.
And also you have a shift interrupt switch will stall the engine sometimes.
Danny, that problem produce a code in the computer?
Shift malfunction.
Shift malfunction. Yeah, because no engage the gear.
The computer recognizes that it's having issues with the shifting, so it automatically gives you a code for shift malfunction.
Okay, right now what is the next step?
Now I got to pull the motor mounts off completely, and that's going to be fun because you see we're going to have to break it in pieces to get it out, and then we'll insert the new pieces. I don't know if they gave, here's what the new ones look like. This is what it looks like new.
Oh, that's the new one.
See, there's the aluminum block that goes in here.
Correct.
Which is through bolted.
Where are those through bolts?
Yeah, through the swivel.
Oh, perfect.
To hold the motor mount.
The position is like this.
Yeah, and it absorbs this absorbs the vibration.
Yeah.
But what happens is if this goes bad, this starts pulling out, and then the shift shaft is going to be binding against the side.
Okay.
So that's why it has to.
How many of those you have per engine? Two. One in each side.
Yeah, and this is, you can see how it's so swollen that that's how strong the salt is. It's so strong that it actually cracks the aluminum
and breaks it. Oh yeah. And
and this is on the way out too. We're gonna replace all of them.
All of them.
Yeah, because this one's a matter of time.
Yeah.
So there's a good way to test how you know if it's bad. See this one here? See how there's space?
It's a finger, no?
Now look at the space on this one.
Yeah. Okay.
This one's worse than that one, but this is on the way out, so it's worth replacing.
Yeah.
25%.
Ay, ay, ay. One is broken?
No, just 3 are stuck.
The same procedure, preheat, lubrication.